Have you ever been told that the difference between words like sheep and ship is vowel length? As someone who grew up speaking English, this never made sense to me, and that's because vowel length isn't the main difference. Listen to this recording from the Oxford Learner's Dictionary. Which word is it?
Sheep, sheep, sheep.
It's sheep. And notice that the vowel doesn't sound very long at all.
Sheep.
In dictionaries, you'll usually see these IPA symbols. We'll give the vowels names to make it easier to talk about them, the fleece vowel and the kit vowel. The fleece vowel appears in words like sheep, seat, peak, and the kit vowel is found in words like ship, sit, pick. Now, don't get me wrong, sometimes the fleece vowel is long.
Tree, tree.
But it can also be surprisingly short.
Beach, beach.
In fact, sometimes fleece is shorter than kit.
Beat, bid, beat, bid.
And here's something that might surprise you. When the so-called short vowel of kit is stressed in a sentence, it can sound quite long.
And the truth is...
So what is the real difference between fleece and kit? Think of get and got. The vowels in these words aren't different because of length. They're completely different sounds made with different tongue positions. Get, got, o. And it's the same with fleece and kit. They're two distinct vowel qualities with different tongue positions. Can you hear the difference?
Cheap, chips, cheap, chips.
Which ones beat the odds? It's a bit embarrassing. Which ones beat the odds? It's a bit embarrassing.
In standard Southern British English, the fleece vowel is made with the tongue body high and forward in the mouth. It can be a monophthong, just one steady vowel, e, or it can be a diphthong, gliding from one vowel quality to another, e. Sheep, need, see. The kit vowel is a monophthong made lower in the mouth, I. Ship, this, did. If you're finding it tricky, there might be an I-type vowel in your native language that's similar, and you could use this in English. As the kit vowel is usually spelt with the letter I, it might help to imagine a different spelling. Ship, this, did. Earlier I mentioned that the fleece vowel can be long, like in see, or short, like in sheep. If you want to find out about vowel length rules in English, join my British Council Award-nominated course. You'll find clear explanations and plenty of practice for standard British vowels. Just click the link in the description to join. But for now, let's compare fleece and kit. Repeat after me. Heat, hit, leave, live, eat it, sit on the seat. At least we've got the list. Mastering these vowels isn't just about getting your tongue in the right place, it's also about training your ears so you can distinguish between them. That's why I created an interactive vowel game so you can test your listening skills. I've also prepared a fleece and kit vowel guide with tips and practice. Both resources are completely free. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to access them and start improving your vowels. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with your friends. And if there's a pronunciation topic you'd like me to make a video on, just let me know in the comments. Bye for now.